Sir, before I start my points, I support my friend from the opposition और खास करके MPs का आचरण पर मैं पूरा सपोर्ट करता हूं और महंगाई के वक्त में सबके साथ MPs भी उसी कैटेगरी में हैं और ये ठीक इन्होंने कहा कि कुछ मीडिया से हम डरते हैं, तो जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया में एडिटर्स हैं उनका 1/4 भी चलेगा MPs के लिए। तो इसलिए
केवल एक चीज इनसे पूछ लिया जाए साहब, ये तीन
अरे
घरों का जिक्र किया, दो तो समझ में आ
अरे
चतुर्वेद जी बैठिए। अच्छा, what is your point?
Sir, having supported him, I will take, sir, 3 minutes.
Yeah.
So there has been a lot of discussion going on since yesterday, both in electronic media and print media, and it has also been widely reported. So in this regard, I would like to just ask 3 simple questions. Sir, my question number 1 from the government would be, and this I have taken from well-reputed newspaper, The Hindu. It says Modi offered to free Marines for information on Gandhi family. Sir, it is today's Hindu, and I quote, please don't make a commentary. The Augusta, now I'm quoting the newspaper, the Augusta Westland helicopter deal middleman James Christian Michael stood by his sensational submission made to an international court that Indian Prime Minister had attempted to cut a deal on the Italian Marines issue with, please, will you please? Deal on the Italian Marines issue with his counterpart, Italian Prime Minister, at a brush-by meeting at the UN in September 2015. According to him, Mr. Modi had offered a deal to free the 2 Italian Marines on trial for killing Indian fishermen in exchange for information against the Gandhi family. Not only did the meeting take place, it went on so long that they had to reschedule other meetings, unquote. Sir, 2 things have happened after this when the deal struck between 2 prime ministers, between the Prime Minister of India and Prime Minister of Italy. Number 1, the pronouncement of the judgment has come from that side, and subsequently, now the Indian government is allowing Italian Marines to return home. So that means the deal has stuck. So I would like to know from the government whether, whether such meeting has taken place between, I will complete, I will, please. आप मुझे बोलने दे दो, don't disturb me. So I would like from the government whether this meeting took place between the 2 prime ministers, whether the deal was struck between the 2 prime ministers. Sir, in this regard, I would like to tell you that in 2013, once the reports of the wrongdoings and allegations of corrupt practices surfaced with regard to the Augusta Westland helicopters, the UPA government took the following actions. Number 1, directed the CBI and ED Enforcement Directorate to proceed against this entire issue of corruption. Number 2, cancel the deal. Number 3, the government of India through the court, we went to the Italian court, got the entire bank guarantee money back. We recovered the total advance money. And number 3 helicopters which had already come, so we did not give them back. So this is most important thing. And the 4th and the last, we blacklisted the Augusta Westland Company. So my question from the government would be, a company, Augusta Westland Company, which was blacklisted by the UPA government, why did Modi government allowed this blacklisted company to take part in Make in India, work, Make in India work. The third, and, अरे यार, please, मुझे खत्म कर दें दो, then आप not sure. The third, sir, the third and the last question, sir, the third and the last question I would like to ask this gospel. Again, as reported by Mr. James in today's Hindu newspaper, that he had written to the Honorable Prime Minister of India that he is willing to reveal all the facts whatsoever in this regard. Why did not Prime Minister of India respond to Mr. Michael Krishnan? Thank you very much.
An honourable member from side had given a notice, but an explanation in form of a peshbandi explanation has come in advance, even before the notice has been argued. Sir, let me categorically state.
No, please.
Let me categorically say
Please.
that the report in the newspaper cited by the Honourable Leader of Opposition with regard to the alleged meeting of the Indian Prime Minister and the Italian Prime Minister and the deal struck is false and untrue in its entirety. No such meeting at all has been held. And therefore, that report which was intended to provide to my friends on the other side a possible basis of their defense doesn't exist. Secondly, sir, the principal issue is that there was a defense transaction. In the defense transaction, there is alleged to have been a bribe payment. The bribe giver has been convicted. The identity of the bribe taker has to be established. The bribe giver, at the time when the conspiracy was being executed, has made some written admissions. The relevance of those admissions is to be examined by the investigating agencies and appropriate action taken. The investigation in this case is at an advanced stage. But now that you have allowed the Honourable Leader of Opposition to anticipate an argument and start a defence, please allow the Honourable Member who has given notice also to raise the question.
Written by Mr. Michel, stating that Ms. Sonia Gandhi is the main